In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo without Photoshop using 3 simple and beginner-friendly methods. Whether you're starting a business, launching a YouTube channel, or building a personal brand, you don't need expensive software to design a professional-looking logo anymore. I'll walk you through Canva, Inkscape, and an AI tool called Looka so you can pick what works best for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First up, the easiest method by far, Canva. Open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're logged in, click on Create Design and search for logo. Canva will open a blank canvas sized perfectly for logo creation. From here, you have two options. You can either start from scratch or choose from thousands of pre-made templates. If you're a beginner, I recommend picking a template because it gives you a solid starting point. Now, customize your logo. Click on the text to change your brand name, adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand identity. Then, head over to the Elements tab where you can add shapes, icons, or graphics. Try searching for keywords related to your niche to find relevant icons. You can drag and drop everything into place and easily resize or rotate elements. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a standard logo or SVG if you want a high-quality scalable version. And just like that, you've created a logo without Photoshop. Now let's move on to Method 2, Inkscape. This is a completely free vector design software that works similarly to Adobe Illustrator. You can download it from inkscape.org and install it on your computer. Once you open Inkscape, you'll get a blank canvas where you can start designing from scratch. Use the text tool to add your brand name and the shape tools to create custom elements. Inkscape is more powerful than Canva because it gives you full control over vectors, which means your logo can be scaled to any size without losing quality. It does have a bit of a learning curve, but if you want more flexibility and control, it's definitely worth trying. Finally, let's look at Method 3, using Looka. Go to looka.com and enter your brand name. From there, you'll be asked to choose your preferred logo styles, colors, and icons. Once you've selected your preferences, Looka's AI will generate multiple logo options for you instantly. You can browse through these designs, customize them slightly, and download previews for free. While high-resolution downloads may require payment, this is a great way to get inspiration or even find a logo concept you love. And that's it. 3 powerful ways to create a logo without Photoshop. Whether you want something quick and easy, fully customizable, or AI generated. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.